Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove lock from iPhone notes. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Notes app. Locate and click on the note that you want to remove lock from. Now once you click on it, you'll be prompted to unlock the note. If the note is locked, click on View Note, confirm your Face ID or your password. Click on the three dots at top right. Locate and click on Remove. Then this is going to remove the lock from the note. So when next you open the note application, you discover that the note app or the note you lock has been disabled. And that is it. So that's exactly how to remove lock from notes on iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.